Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install EndeavourOS 2023 on VMWare Workstation 17.5. So this is the updated version of VMWare Workstation. So I updated to 17.5. Make sure that you install the latest version of VMWare Workstation. Now let me create one new virtual machine. So browse the installer image disk. EndeavourOS Galileo. Okay, EndeavourOS Galileo. So under Linux version, I am selecting as other Linux 6.x kernel 64-bit. Next, I am providing the name to the virtual machine. EndeavourOS 2023. Next, provide the path where the EndeavourOS virtual machine is getting stored. Next, I am allocating 40 GB virtual hard disk size, and I am enhancing the RAM to 8 GB and increasing the CPU cores to 4 CPU cores. That's it. Rest of the settings will be remain as it is. Okay, now let us start the EndeavourOS on VMware 17. So in boot menu, select the first option, that is default option I am selecting. Okay, so this is a startup screen. So click the button start the installer on welcome screen. You can see the start installer button. Click the start the installer. This will start the EndeavourOS installer. So offline, select offline. Okay, so installer EndeavourOS installer is started. So English will be the default language. Select the location, keyboard. So bootloader will be grub bootloader. Partitions, select erase disk, swap with no hibernate. Next. Okay, provide the login username. Provide the name, computer name, that is host name. Next, provide the password. Provide the administrator password here. Next, install. Okay, installation completed. I am restarting the EndeavourOS. So first step is after restarting, update the mirrors. So I am updating the Arch Linux and EndeavourOS mirrors. So both the mirrors I am updating. Okay. So select any nearest location or fastest mirror location. Okay. You can see a lot of countries are there. You can select anyone. Okay. Provide the root password. Next, I am updating the EndeavourOS mirror. Provide the root password. Yes, so mirrors are updated. Now go close this welcome screen. Okay, let me open the terminal. So I am running some command here. Let me try to copy paste. Okay, let me try to copy paste. Before that I am checking whether drag and drop and share clipboard is enabled. Yes, I can able to copy paste the content from EndeavourOS virtual machine to Windows host machine. Let me try from host to EndeavourOS virtual machine. So which means that VMWare Tools is installed by default during the installation of EndeavourOS operating system. VMWare Tools will be getting installed by default. No need any manual installation. It will be automatically downloaded and installed from Arch Linux or EndeavourOS repositories. Okay, now let me try the drag and drop feature. Let me try the drag and drop feature. Let me drag and drop this file. Yes, I can able to drag and drop the file, and also I can able to access the content. So drag and drop feature also is working fine. So two major features are working fine. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to enable the shared folder. So I am shutting down the machine. Once again, go to settings, options, shared folders always enabled. So browse the Windows host machine. Okay, start the so after starting the EndeavourOS operating system, run this command VMWare-GFS client. You can see that shared folder is enabled, but we need to access the content of shared folder. What I am doing, so I am creating one directory under my home directory. So under home directory I am creating one directory. Okay, now login as a root user. So I am going to edit /etc/fuse.conf. So uncomment user underscore allow underscore other, which means that all users should be able to access the shared folder. That is the meaning here. So save the fuse.conf file. So exit. So make sure that you have edited the file as a root user. Okay. Now come back to Java farm user. Run this command vmware-gfs-fuse command. So I have provided the command in the description of this video. Okay. I have provided the command in the description of the video. After running the command, go to the shared folder. So I can able to access the content of shared folder. Yes. So finally, EndeavourOS 2023 installation on VMWare Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools is successful.